Pivot, love the socks. Stance ain't got nothing on the socks. If I'm looking for B-roll or something, I could just come back to this clip and use it.
Man, oh man, okay. And I don't even know why I said that in that video. And you know, sometimes in the videos, you just kind of say stuff to make the video a little longer, just complete it. Because as soon as that camera turns on, oh, anyway, guys, what's up, guys? Got the lot 50 here, and look at this. Look at this. This fell out. Got a tag on this box. I don't know how that little hole fell out. Maybe it was the shipping. I'll blame it on shipping. Here's the shipping tag, and you know, this shoe, a little code there. This shoe is like the only, from what I know, out of the 50. I don't even know how many 50s there are. I think that's super glue they put that on with, and I think they gave me a little love note. Maybe the placement of that love note is what popped that little hole through. I don't know. But the lot 50, I wanted it because it was the only black sneaker out of all of them. All of them are like usually gray or suede. And I was like, let's just see what it looks like. So it looks like they got the correct paper this time. They have a sticker on the box, but that is still not the correct sticker that's on the box. And I don't know how to explain this sneaker. Like, the white laces are really contrasty, and it's just kind of a mess. It's a boring mess. Like, my favorite one is still the pine green ones they did years back. But you know, I just had to have this one just to see. Sometimes I get shoes from these people just to see what they look like in hand. It doesn't matter what the shoe it is. I just want to see it. So there's that code that was on the box. Oh, that's the code that's on the box. I get it now. I get it. It's hard to keep up with all these little gimmicks and stuff that they throw at you these days. There's just so much. But this is a 9.5. There's the stamp on there. That looks good. The Nike on the back, it's usually a little fatter, but it looks good. Toe box or whatever we're looking at here, it looks good. I'm just kind of showing you the shape and close-ups. That toe box could be made almost out of, like, I don't know, I want to say canvas, but I don't know. I do like behind the tongue, it's really nice leather, but like I said, man, these shoes are kind of messy. That little Nike tag reminds me of the tag that they put on those Prestos, those off-white Prestos. I think that's probably where that comes from, but it's dope. That's kind of like my favorite part. I don't know what that hand means, if that's like the bootleg Kawhi Leonard hand. I don't know what that means. Insole does not have Zoom Air, so I kind of peeled it up a little bit. It was glued down to the shoe. Looking at the other shoe, what do we have here? I mean, I do like the purple. I do like the pink. I just think, I don't know. This whole lot 1 through 50, they should have made like 3 or 4 pairs, man. They didn't need 50 pairs. I don't know if that's a Virgil face or whose face that is. Again, I can't keep up with all the little gimmicks. Placement looks all right here. The swoosh placement is the biggest thing I look at. Sometimes it's too high, it's too low right there. It looks pretty good. So again, shout out to the gifters. I think it was like One More Kicks that sent these to me. Really, really, really nice people. Like, they're so nice, it's a little scary, but there's this little tag for the people that enjoy the little tags. I personally don't care for them. You got to unlace the shoe to take it out, or you got to cut it. And let's see what we got here. What do we got here under the black light? I'm going to save you guys some time. There was nothing on the sneaker. Okay? Nothing on the bottom. No. And I think darker shoes, not a lot of the stitching flaws show up. So that's kind of what I've been finding out. Had to look at the box. I'm like, are they clean? Let's see. Stamp right there. It's a stamp right there. And Kicks for Days explained this on my live, so make sure you follow me on IG. That's where I give up all the another stamp. Stamp there, stamp there. They almost made it through clean.
All right. I'm just going to park it right here real quick. What's good, guys? What's good? Back with another video. And you know what? I'm just going to get right to the point. The shoes are cool, right? And one thing I didn't like there was like 50 pairs of these sneakers in like all different versions. I should actually look at the camera. I didn't like that there was 50 versions of the shoe. YouTube energy. I'm also here watching my kid. My kid's over there at the park. And, it's uncomfortable. Hold on. Shout out to the gifter of the sneaker. I forgot the name. It's been so long. They went on that holiday. When they went on that moon holiday, it just kind of slowed things up It'll be somewhere around the screen real quick. No links. You know, I can't put any links in the videos. People are getting clapped left and right for doing that. And you know, I'm saying, shout out to the people that have had that happen to them, but you can't put like any links or try to source any kind of sneaker like that. I wouldn't even retail sneakers. I wouldn't put no links. Just don't even do it. But the shoe was cool. Like the quality of the shoe was way better. The box was better. The label was almost better, but it was there. The black light test was really good. So the toe box was even real good too. Let's get that out the way. The toe box was good. So I do like that. The print on the side of the shoe, I don't really care about that. I'm not sure if it's different on every single pair of these, but you know how it's coming from that retail pair that I have. And I still have that retail pair too. Hit me up on IG, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and get up. Oof. I'm definitely got to get back into the gym. Shout out to everybody that's watching this video. Shout out to my man K Chiba. We're gonna get together, K Chiba. Let me knock these shoe videos out the way real quick, and then Boo Boo, you ready to go? Oh man, hold on, I gotta go, guys. Peace, love, peace, love, peace, love. But I do like the kicks too. I do like the kicks. I do like the kicks though. You know what I'm saying? It's a free sneaker. I love these joints, man. Like and subscribe, man. I gotta hold my leg up, man. I'm getting old, man. But I do like the kicks. I'm right here. Boo Boo, what's going on? You want me to push you on the swing? Alright, and kids, man, they definitely hold you accountable. That is one thing for sure. It's the end of the video this time for sure, you know what I'm saying? Peace, love, and light. Naps over hats, you know what I'm saying? Naps over caps. Don't nobody steal my stuff. I just made that up right now. Let's document that. I made that up right now. You know what I'm saying? Naps over hats, baby.
Come on, please.
Maya.
Please.
Alright. Good?
Here.
Good enough? I'm trying to kick me. What?
We're gonna get 1,000 views.
Yep. Probably will, for sure.
Woo! You're famous now.
Whoa! I'm jumping. Let me jump. Let me jump. All right, here we go. Spin. I'm ready to go home. Let's go home, little mama. Let's see. We can't show you. All right. But let's go home, okay? Say it again.
He's a nervous guy to 10.
Say it louder.
He's a nervous guy to 10.
Louder.
He's a nervous guy to 10.
Okay, okay. What are you doing with that? Hold on. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Hey.
What are we doing with that? Hold on. Let's try to get away. Ah! All right, you got me. What? I'm trying to get my cinematic shot. What?